focus the sync specifically, disconnecting from my phone every now and then. It does it for several days and then it works fine. So I went and looked for TSBs on ALLDATA, and sure enough, there is one about this. It needs an update. So I thought I would go ahead and show you guys how to do an update to a sync system. Alright, so here we go. So first off, you want to go to the sync website. I just googled Ford Sync Update, click that. You can do this as a customer. You don't have to do it through the dealership or the anything else. You can do it yourself or through a shop. You can obviously take it to a shop if you want to. I entered my VIN right here. I'm going to search it. It'll tell me if I have an update or not. Hopefully at some point. Sure is moving slow. It does say a sync update is available, so I'm going to click on that. It tells me what version. I want to do USB drive. That's the size I need. And it's going to give me instructions right here. So it takes me to this PDF document, update your sync software through Windows. And it goes through step by step what you need to do. Says download update button right there, so there's our instructions. And so it's right here, download sync update. Alright, so I've downloaded it. Here it is right here. I went ahead and right clicked. And then you're going to do extract all. And then just click extract. I've already done that, so I'm not going to do it again. And this is what you end up with, is this folder here. So this is the folder we're going to put on the USB drive. Control, and select each one. You can actually drag them all over. Drag them over to the USB and let them copy. Alright, put the files on the USB. I'm going to actually put it in the slot here in a little bit. It said to have the car running when you do this. I think the reason for that is actually you don't want the voltage to drop too low. I mean, if this battery goes dead on you, you could end up ruining a module. This is basically a reflash. I'm going to go ahead and put this in here and see what happens.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
So I'm going to go to menu, Sync settings, click OK. Install on sync. Click OK. Then click yes. You should see this screen. This could take up to 20 minutes according to the website or longer. Now I've got a sync is rebooting. It actually went pretty quick.
Your download is in progress and the system may reboot several times during the update. Please wait up to 20 minutes until you hear your sync system update was completed. You may then use sync.
Alright, I did come out later and just made sure it was done. So if you go into menu, because basically it was a screen saying hook up USB device or something like that when I first came out here. We'll do sync settings, system info, and you can see it actually did update. So just make sure. The screen is supposed to say update complete or something along those lines. It probably did for a little while, but I wasn't going to sit here for 20 minutes and wait for this thing to update, so I just came back later. All right.